Hello. I show you in this video, how to install and activate the theme for your website. By definition, a theme is a set of files, graphics, and scripts, that controls the look of your site concerning layout, colors, typography, and so on. My rule of thumb for picking a theme is, quality, functionality, and flexibility first, design second. No matter which theme you choose, you need then to customize the design, if only to insert your own logo, or change some colors to better match your logo or branding. So, this video also shows you some basic ways themes, that enable you to alter the look of your website without knowing CSS or HTML. Firstly, you need to understand that installing a theme is not the same as activating it. You can have many themes installed in your WordPress theme library, but you can activate only one of them at a time. The active theme is the one your visitors see. You can install new themes and add to your WordPress theme library in two ways, using the built-in theme selector for the WordPress.org theme directory, or uploading the zip file for a theme, usually one you've purchased. To get to the Add Themes screen, however, there is no Add Themes link on the main admin menu. You must go to Appearance, select Themes, and click the Add New link at the top. What you first see when you get there, is a series of screenshots of themes from the WordPress themes directory. The default setting is to show the current featured themes from the directory, but at the top of the screen, I've highlighted a menu that also includes the most popular and the latest themes, which are self-explanatory. You can also search the directory. But there's also a link called Feature Filter, that enables you to do a search according to all kinds of parameters, such as colors, layout, WordPress functions, and more. A portion of the filter system. After a theme is installed, it's available to be activated and made the theme, that the public will see on your site. When you're on the themes page, sometimes referred to as the theme library, the currently active theme is always displayed at the top left and clearly labeled. However, you look for themes in the WordPress theme directory. The great thing is that you can preview them from this screen simply by mousing over a screenshot, and clicking Details and Preview or just Preview. Depending on the browser width of your device and whether the theme has a responsive design, the resulting version of the theme varies. Part of this is the result of the details. You can collapse that using the lower left corner button, which gives you more room and a different view of the theme. One of the great features of this theme browser is that, you can scroll between themes without having to close the window and return to the theme listings. Simply use the left and right arrows at the top of the Details sidebar. When you find a theme you're interested in, simply click the Install button, either from within the theme browser or on the theme listings screen. Remember, installing a theme simply makes it a part of your theme library. It won't be visible to the public because it isn't the active theme. The other method of installing a theme is to upload its zip file. There are two key points to keep in mind when downloading commercial theme files. Firstly, the zip file you receive may not be the zip file you're going to upload to WordPress. Some vendors provide a zip file, that contains instructions or graphics files along with the actual theme zip file. They should make this clear. But if WordPress rejects your zip file, that may be why. You just need to unzip the main file, and use the zip file inside it. Secondly, if your theme depends on a parent theme, you should receive two zip files. You'll need to upload the parent zip file to WordPress first, and then the child theme zip file. Again, the vendor should make it clear that there are two files required, but WordPress will tell you if you're missing a parent theme. To upload a theme's zip file, you need to click the Upload Theme button at the top of the Add Themes screen. And the resulting version of the Add Themes screen is a basic file uploading screen, where you select the file from your device, and then click the Install Now button. And when you mouse over any other theme that you have installed, a blue Activate button becomes visible. Clicking the Activate button makes that theme live on your site. But before you make any theme active, there are some tasks you need to perform. When you switch themes, a number of key pieces of information are changed. In particular, the menus and the widgets you've chosen are tied to your current theme settings. When you make that theme inactive, its settings are deactivated as well. Another way to think of this is that, the new theme you're about to activate does not have any settings yet, it has no menu settings and no widget settings. You could just activate a new theme, and then quickly add menus and arrange the widgets, but WordPress makes the whole process easier through its preview and customization function, which is just one of several native features of WordPress enabling you to customize your site's design. WordPress offers theme makers a number of built-in functions to make it easy for users to change the look of their site. From Appearance, select Customize, or from the Preview button on a theme's listing in the theme library, a window displays. On the right, it shows a real-time version of the front end of your site. On the left, you have elements of the site that can be changed. You see the changes as they'll appear on the live site, but until you click the Save button, the changes are not actually applied. What's available to edit on the left side of the Customize screen is entirely dependent on your theme. In the end of the series of WordPress lessons, I will give you for free some pre-built themes in some popular activities of news, sales, restoration, supermarket, company website. Also, I will show you how to customize these pre-built themes for becoming your own website. I finished here the video. If you find it useful, subscribe for more video. Thanks and see you soon in the next videos.